One of Infinite's popular member, Kim Myung-soo, known professionally as his stage name L, left his fans breathless at the recent fan meeting event with his unreal visuals and attractive charm. Infinite's fans were in a treat for L's stunning visuals as he dressed in a race car jacket during the latest fan meeting of Infinite's comeback. Many netizens, especially his fans, didn't escape from L's attractiveness and were stunned by his handsome visuals. They also praised that the K-pop idol had not aged over the years as he maintains his good appearance and figure. So what do you think about L's stunning visuals? Please let me know in the comment section.